Tiruchi, Siva.
Well spoken, sir.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir.
Well spoken.
Sir, the utmost concern of any government should be the common man. So, because of the impasse of the appointment of judges, the pendency of cases across the country should be taken note of. I think none of us are taking serious of it. Even in Tamil Nadu, the boycott of the lawyers for the past 60 days, so many cases are pending, litigants are waiting outside. The government says it is with the judiciary or with the lawyers, but actually the people are affected and the government has to take some sides. Sir, we agree, every one of us, since the collegium system did not work well with the appointment of judges. Yes, we enacted the Judicial Commissions Act 2014 by way of amending the constitution, which was struck down by the Supreme Court and declared void. What did the government do after that? When we have enacted a law by way of establishing the powers of the legislature, realizing the issues faced by the people, the Supreme Court has struck down and we are sitting calm. Then we are discussing about the impasse of the appointment of judges. Whereas the people are affected, the population is increasing, the litigations are increasing, whereas the people are suffering because of the vacancy in the judges. So what you are going to do with that? Sir, I got two questions, two clarifications. Before that, sir, the pendency of cases across the country, I don't want to quote all the statistics which the Law Commission has given its report. Because of the vacancy of judges, lakhs of cases are pending across the country. Sir, the Supreme Court, in order to finalize the existing memorandum of procedure, has advised the government to take a decision. And the Department of Justice sought the views of the state governments for improvement of the collegium system by way of a letter addressed to all the chief ministers. Only 9 states have responded. Meghalaya, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Arunachal.
Don't mention state, put your question.
That's it. Major states like Tamil Nadu have not responded to this very important issue. So, taking serious of this matter, the government should do something. My two questions are, while you are trying to set away the impasse and appointment of judges, first, sir, what you are going to do when the Supreme Court has struck down our efforts taken to enact a law by way of amending the Constitution, and while appointing the judges, kindly, as all other members have suggested, follow the reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, OBC, women and minorities. Okay. So also, sir, for the apex court in Delhi, the Supreme Court, people from South India are coming all the way for any appeal here and they are taking a lot of time. We have been suggesting that a bench of the Supreme Court has to be in Tamil Nadu for the benefit of the South Indian peoples. Okay. Sir, that we have been suggesting for quite a long time, and the government has to consider that we need a bench of the Supreme Court in Tamil Nadu for the southern states, as well as the reservation policy has to be adopted in appointment of judges.
Honorable Minister.